Okay, today we're going to do the second way of solving a system. Now, the book calls it elimination method. When I was a kid, they called it the addition method, then they called it addition with multiplication method, and then they called it addition with multiplication and subtraction. So I usually just call it the addition method or elimination. But step one is to multiply one equation or both equations by a number or numbers to get one set of opposite coefficients. Coefficient is the number times the variable. Okay? So, what would I multiply this by? Now you got to do it to the whole equation. If you do it to have opposites, well, I'd multiply this by -2. Or I could multiply this by a third. A third of 3 is 1, and they would be opposite. Or I could multiply this by a -1/2, so it'd be -1 and 1. Or I could multiply this one by 3. I think I'm going to multiply this one, the second one, by 3. I don't know why. I just want to get opposite coefficients for the y's. So I multiply this by 1, x plus 3y equals 3. Multiply this by a 3, it'd be 6x minus 3y equals 39. Next step. Add. I like one-step problems. So this would be 7x, and this, 39 plus 3 is 42. So I divide this by 7. So solve for remaining variable. Sorry about the pause there. For remaining variable. So x would equal 6. Now I want to solve for the other variable. So I'm going to put that back into the first one. Doesn't matter which one. So subtract 6 and then divide by 3. So my answer is 6, -1. Woohoo! So the next one. So I want to get opposite coefficients. I'm going to have to do both equations because there's nothing that goes together too well here. I'm going to multiply this one by, let's do this by 3 and this by 5. So I'd have 15 and -15. So I'd have 6x plus 15y equals 21. Here I do 25x minus 15y. Ooh, I got opposite coefficients. That's what I need, is 10. So 31x equals 31. When I combine it, the y's drop out. Now, I got to have a variable term drop out or I got problems. So x equals 1. So put that back in. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 5y equals 7. So 5y equals 5, so y equals 1. So I got the sleeping owl again. Woohoo, 1, 1. Let's try this one. Oh, this is easy. I could do a 3, so it'd be 3y and minus 3y. Now you could do this by 3 and this by -2. You'd have 12 and -12. That's okay too. So let's see, this would be 4x plus 3y equals 8. And this would be 18x minus 3y. Oh, I got opposite coefficients. Equals 3. So 22x equals 11. So x divided by 22 is a half. Woohoo! So now I'm going to put that back into the first one. 4 times a half plus 3y equals 8. So this is 2. Subtract 2. So 3y equals 6. 8 minus 2 is 6. So y equals 2. So my answer is 1/2, 2. I think I'm going to break this up into 2 videos. So, okay.